What can I use Zlick for?
Photos, videos. Suppose you take a photo of what is in front of you. Boom, it's on Facebook immediately because it's connected very tightly with your Facebook, and same thing with your video. And soon we're going to come up with enough settings that you can have a default setting that it shows up to all your friends or only shows up to you, and you can go online and figure out who you share it with. So you'll have control. I think right now we have some kind of default setting, but pretty soon we're going to add some settings that's going to help you do that. And what's pretty exciting for us is we added this really cool feature. We call it album feature. So let's say you're walking into your friend's birthday party and you click on Begin Album and you say Joe's birthday party, and then you take photos, you take videos, and after an hour, 2 hours, whatever it is, and it doesn't matter if you close the app and reopen it, all the videos and photos made in that time frame until you hit on the end album button there on our app, everything goes into the same album. And the beauty of it is that all the stuff is on one album, and then you're sent a link, you're emailed a link, and you can actually share this with anybody that was in the party. So people on your Facebook could see it, but if some of these friends of the party were not in your Facebook friends, you could even email it. And some people don't log onto Facebook often enough. For them it's going to be a cool way of looking at your photos. Remember all of these, we take photos at a birthday party and we forget to upload them, and friends call us back. I just had that. Somebody called me after 2 weeks and said, have you uploaded the pictures that you took of me? And so this happens to us all the time, and Zlick is a slick solution for that.